Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Elecher and today, surprise! I have my friend Joanna here with me. Wow, look at your tummy.
Look at yours too. It's such a beautiful coincidence that we're having our second child at the same time.
So how's the pregnancy?
It's amazing and it's coming to the end. I'm so excited for my son to have a little sibling. How about you?
I can't wait for her to come up because she's so heavy. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot to prepare something to serve you because I was too busy.
Ayah, no need lah. Don't worry.
But I did manage to do something very last minute. Wow! Aha! I know what you're thinking. Have to wait until tomorrow to eat, right? Because usually we need to cool the cheesecake in the fridge, right? Don't worry because I have quick cooling mask. So I'm going to put this one into the freezer.
Alright, let's go.
Then we can eat it very soon.
Wow.
Set the function.
There's some frozen foods in there. There's watermelon, strawberries and bananas. Can we do something while we wait?
Sure, I think I know what you want to do.
I know you know. Now very quickly, put the watermelons in.
1, 2.
I'm gonna put a lot since it's gonna be for 2 of us. Okay, why don't you help me open the bananas? 6.
Wow.
Strawberries. I'm gonna put some extra. Look at that. Ta-da! Very easy, right?
Yeah.
Last step is put a little bit of salt. Yeah. We can wrap it, freeze it to eat it later, or you want to eat it now?
Of course now.
Yes, I guess so.
I want more.
Yes. Enjoy. Wow.
So cooling.
That's so good. Oh wait.
Let me go and check on the cheesecake. I know. Amazing. This looks like something from a cake shop.
Can't wait to try it.
Wow. Big enough for you?
Yes. Look at that.
So, lay down.
Yeah.
So good.
It's so soft.
And it is firm and nicely set within such a short time.
Exactly. Oh, this is so good, Elecher. Why don't you sell it? It's so good.
Anyone wants?
I want to tapao back home lah.
Sure, you can take all.
Hey, wait. We're
Still rolling.
Sorry guys. Okay lah.
Bye!
See you.
Panasonic.